it going, everybody? It's been a long time coming, but finally got my Honda XR 600R all back together. When I got it, it's pretty much a piece of junk. It was in bad shape. I had to put a new used set of carburetors on it, a new air yoke, of course, new air filter, oil filter, spark plug, new chain, new sprockets. What else did I do? I had to put a new compression release cable on it, new compression release cable, the upper one and the lower one. I had to get a bracket. I had to get this guard, put a new pipe on it, and also we had to adjust the timing chain tensioner, and we had to check the valve clearances because they were off. Also got a new headlight. So yep, finally got her back together. She's running like a dream, and yeah, pretty excited. So I'll let you hear it. I'll start it up. Oh, and also when I finally all got it back together, it was just a pain to start, but thanks to somebody on YouTube who uploaded a video and showed me how. I think it was Pillow Chomper or something like that. If you're listening, thanks a bunch. It was very helpful. So yeah, I'll let you hear it. She runs pretty good. Oh yeah, getting set here. Alright. So yeah, there's a secret combination to getting it started, and that is, make sure it's in neutral, obviously. And on the OEM carburetors, there's 2 clicks on the choke, and this thing only starts on the first click. So that's what I had to figure out. So on the first click, you usually wrap it up a little bit so it catches, pull the compression release. Gave it a little bit of a bath, so it looks like it's steaming a little bit. So there she is, folks. My Honda